right, so we had conflict resolution, and we decided that one of the ways that you could teach young people conflict resolution is by teaching them how to debate. So, actually, you wanna?
Yeah, so we decided that first we would introduce debate, explain what it is, and then we would ask the students desired debate topics.
Then we decided that we would teach the. Did we do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Teach the rules of debate and teaching them how to understand what is logic versus what is emotion. So how do you respond from logical space versus emotion?
Yep.
And then we would then take those skills and start siphoning them into teaching them how to debate specifically, like with techniques, and then along with that, giving them research resources and research techniques to be able to qualify their opinions and be able to quote sources, and that way their opinions are based on fact and not just on sound bites.
And then we'll go from there to more in-depth techniques and more for them to talk about more things that they want to talk about, like LGBTQRX, more personal feelings, or anything that they would like to talk about, mental health, conflicts at home, anything that's more personal to them that they would like to discuss, maybe with their counselors, maybe with the person that they find that they can talk to within the group. And then
And lastly, we would do reflection. So after we do all of that, we teach them what to do, we teach them how to do, and then we have a practice debate. We would then, at the end, do some reflection, glows, grows. What should we stop? What should we start? What should we continue to do? And like she mentioned, starting off with something very basic, non-invasive. So we talked about like best music genre, and not just having two opinions. Andrew brought this up, but having 3 or 4 sides. We think that society does a lot of white, black, and doesn't leave a lot of room for the gray area. So this would allow them to see how they feel in the intersectionality and learning how to quantify their opinion and not just saying what they think. And then we would go into deeper, intense conversations.